Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, this is a compilation of some of my courses that I teach on Skillshare. You'll notice that I have a variety of courses from sketching with pens, realistic drawings, digital painting, and even how to create thumbnails. And with this particular class, with drawing Captain Jack Sparrow, directly connects to my 15 and shorter classes with ballpoint pen only sketching. But before we get started, consider hitting that like button, ringing that bell, becoming a member, and leaving a comment. So let's get to it. And don't forget that I do have a 1 month free Skillshare membership in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my brand new Skillshare class number 10. If you ever wanted to improve your realism when it comes to drawing and using ballpoint pens, this is the class for you. We're going to be drawing a human face, and we're going to go all out on detail. And what better than using a pop culture icon like Captain Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean. So yes, you heard that right, we will be drawing Johnny Depp. And my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez. I graduated from California State University, Fullerton, and I have experience with life drawing, life painting in both acrylic and oil paint. And I mainly use graphite pencil, micron ink pens, and even digital painting. So one of the reasons I love using the world of pop culture and learning from it is to get that intimidation out of the way that drawing realism is only for professionals. But that is not true. And because we are drawing and technically sketching in a small sketchbook, we don't have to commit to a large drawing. And because we are doing an underdrawing with a drafting pencil and finalizing it with a cheap ballpoint pen, we can cover up our mistakes if we need to do so. And all you need is a tiny sketchbook and a few ballpoint pens and a pencil. That is all. And because we are drawing Captain Jack Sparrow, we're going to be focusing on the human anatomy, which is just the face. And we have a few things to look at, like how to draw hair, a little bit of cloth, some facial proportions, and detailed accessories in the hair as well. This is all about having fun, experimenting, and improving our skills all into one. And best of all, this class will connect with my other pen drawings, where they were around 20 to 15 minutes long, and even my realism classes, which were over an hour in length. So this class will combine the best of both worlds. So are you ready to start learning through the world of pop culture and take these skills in this class and apply it to your art? So grab all of your materials and let's begin.